Canham Junction and Tilbrook is an O-gauge layout by Peterborough Model Railway Club's John Castle. The entire layout forms a C-shape, filling a 20 by 14 feet brick shed. John started Canham Junction back in the 70s, and it now adjoins the club's other layout, Bath Green Park. John began building Canham Junction with friends Dennis Ingram and Alan Rawson. The twin-track secondary main line has a branch line running to Tilbrook, with pico-flexible track linking the two stations Tilbrook and Canham. The road bridges at the Canham end are copied from those on the Stamford-Wansford line. All 23 signals are homemade, electrically operated and wired through slide switches that set the points and change the frog polarity. Stock includes a B1 by fine scale models, a K3 and an A4. Several models, including a G5, D49 and an F7, were scratch built by John himself. Some models were bought from a friend of John's, an ex-German POW called Gary Stude, who also helped on the layout. The road bridge here is based on one at Ryle. The layout's buildings are all built from a framework of ply covered with Slater's embossed brick or stone plasticard. For most of its life, the layout was controlled with an ECM ComSpeed controller with inertia, now replaced after decades of service by a gauge master with brakes and inertia. The station building at Tilbrook was taken from a plan by P.D. Hancock. Canham Station is a copy of the one at French Drove on the long since removed line between Spalding and March. The track at Canham is homemade on copper-clad sleepers, all on cork sheets with cork dust for ballast. This gatekeeper's cottage is based on John's own house, with the working gates a copy of those that were at the first road crossing on the GN Ramsey branch after leaving home. Canham Junction incorporates a GE turntable in the corner worked by an AC motor. An old triang point motor is used to push a peg that stops the turntable. The loco shed was an O-gauge copy of the old Airfix shed plus water tank. Some of John's early coaching stock is scratch built from plasticard, with coach roofs fashioned from plastic house guttering, believe it or not. A testament to John's budget-conscious ingenuity. This layout is certainly a layout of John's lifetime, spanning over 35 years and taken influences from near and afar. As such, Canham Junction and Tilbrook is a wonderful reflection of John Castle and the friends who taught and helped him along the way.